Let's remember our foundation, that God wants to partner with us in our classrooms. Now, there's a new key that I want to add to you today, and that is that you have a unique contribution in education. I hope that this has been blessing and encouraging you, and I hope that you have been filled with a sense of possibility in God like never before. There is something that only you can do in education, and we need you to be ready and have margin in your life so that you can execute that with excellence. We need you whole, happy, and ready to bring your unique gift to education. And that means that there will come a point where you need to say no to things in order to say yes to what is your unique contribution. Even as believers, it's really easy for us to end up carrying a lot of things. But today, one of our key takeaways is this: faithfulness is not about carrying a lot of things. Faithfulness is about carrying the specific things God has called you to carry. So today it might feel like we need to do a bit of analysis and self-reflection on what are the things that I am currently carrying, and are they the right things? Now, how will we know they are the right things? Well, this comes down to your unique contribution. You are given permission today to specialize in the thing that you feel called to do, in the area that you feel called to bring uniquely to your community. So we're going to unpack how to know what your unique contribution is, and then how to create margin so that you can be great in that area. As always, we are talking about this in the framework of partnership. Where God is our source, we have access to the abundant storehouses of heaven, which means the sky is the limit in terms of what God can do in and through us in this area of our contribution.